Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, let me show you how to add emergency contact in Health application. Let's open Health application on your device and make sure that you're on the Summary tab on your iPhone. Now let's tap your profile picture in the top right. Now let's go to Medical ID. Now find here section Emergency Contacts, and if you do not have your emergency contact yet, then you have to press Add button next to section with emergency contacts. But if you have your emergency contact and you want to edit it, let's tap Edit button, and you have to press Add Emergency Contact button. Now you will see a list of your contacts. So select a person from your contacts list. Let's simply tap on the contact that you want to add as your emergency contact, and now you want to select their relationship to you. For example, mother, father, parent, brother, sister, etc. So let's tap mother, for example, and tap checkmark in the top right to save your emergency contact. As you can see, it appears right here. So now next time when you call the Emergency SOS, your iPhone will also send a message with your current location to your emergency contacts. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.